Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we have completed the first two problems in the exercise 2.4. In the today's class, let us begin with the third problem in the exercise 2.4. Look at the third problem. Determine which of the following polynomial has a x plus 1 factor. Determine which of the following polynomial has the x plus 1 factor. Now, third problem, x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x power 2 plus x plus 1. You have to find the factor of the x plus 1. Now, you have to find the remainder. First, you have to find the remainder. If remainder is equal to 0, if the remainder is equal to 0, then we can say that it has the factor of the x plus 1. Now, look at the x plus 1 using the factor. We are dividing here. We are dividing x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 by the x plus 1 by the x plus 1. We are dividing here by using the x raised to 4 plus 3x power cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 by the x plus 1. Here this is called as the dividend, and x plus 1 is the divisor. X plus 1 is the divisor. Now, step 1, if divisor is equal to 0, if you are taking the divisor is equal to 0, what is the divisor here? X plus 1 is the divisor. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, x is equal to plus becomes the minus, x is equal to minus 1. Here sign changes, plus becomes the minus, x is equal to minus 1. Now, step 2, if you are taking let p of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. If you are taking the p of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now, already we know the x value. What is the x value here? X is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 4 plus 3 bracket minus 1 whole to the power of 3 and plus 3 bracket minus 1 to the power of 2 plus x is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Already we got the x value. Already using the x value, you are putting in the place of the x, you are putting the value minus 1. Now, if you are multiplying the minus 1 into 4 times, you are getting the answer is plus 1. And again, if you are multiplying the minus 1 into 3 times, you are getting the minus 3. You are getting the minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Again, it is if you are multiplying the minus 1 into 2 times, you are getting the plus 1. You are getting the plus 3. And last one is the minus 1. Again, plus 1. Minus 1 and the plus 1. Now, plus 1 and the minus 1 cancels, plus 3 and the minus 3 cancels. Now, plus 1 is, you get the remainder. P of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Now, remainder is equal to plus 1. Remainder is equal to plus 1. Here, what they ask the question, determine the which of the following polynomial has the x plus 1 factor. What you are getting the remainder is plus 1. If you are getting the exactly remainder is equal to 0, then we can say that the x plus 1 is the factor of 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x square x plus 1 is the factor of x plus 1. But your remainder we got the plus 1. Then we can say that it is not a x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is not a factor of x plus 1. Then we can confirm that the x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 is not a factor of the x plus 1. Then we can say that. Now looking at the fourth one, now look at the fourth problem. Determine which of the following polynomial is a x plus 1 factor by using the x cube minus x square minus bracket 2 plus root 2 bracket complete x plus root 2. Here first you have to find the remainder of the given polynomial. Now we are dividing x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 bracket complete x plus root 2 by the x plus 1. Now step 1 is, if you are taking the divisor is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. You are taking the divisor is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus becomes the minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now step 2, let p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Already we got the x value. What is the x value? X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 3 minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2 plus root 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus root 2. Now if you are multiplying the minus 1 to 3 times, you will get is equal to, answer is minus 1. Now minus, if you are multiplying the minus 1 to 2 times, plus 1, it is the minus 1 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Now minus 1 plus 2, it is the minus 2. Now minus into minus plus, minus 1 plus 2 bracket, it is the 2 bracket plus root 2 plus root 2. Now minus 2 and the plus 2 plus root 2 and the plus root 2. Now minus 2 and the plus 2 cancels, remains the root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Remainder is equal to 2 root 2. Before I said that if remainder is equal to 0, exactly if you get the remainder is equal to 0, then you can say that it is the factor of the x plus 1. What you got the remainder is equal to? We got the remainder is equal to 2 root 2. Then we can say that it is not a factor of the x plus 1. Now x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2 is not a factor of x plus 1. Is not a factor of the x plus 1. Why it is not a factor of the x plus 1? If we get the remainder is equal to 0, then we can say that it is a factor of the x plus 1. We got the remainder is equal to 2 root 2. Then it is not a factor of the x plus 1. In the next class, we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you.